welcome to Bollywood Live for the very first time, Ashwak. Welcome to our
Thank
channel.
you. Thank you, Iman.
All
Wonderful
right,
to.
thank you so much, man. Since you've been a heartthrob of the country right now, we want to know more of you right now. Okay, we want to know you personally. We want to ask you some questions that people will want to know, and especially girls who have been going gaga over you. Okay, so let's start with the first thing. Okay, Patal Lok is already on Amazon Prime, and people are still loving it, and people are still talking to me about it. That Patal Lok is the best series that they've seen during this time. Tell me, how's the response you've been receiving from the audience, and how overwhelming it is for you?
Well, it's pretty normal on one hand, but at the same time, it's because after a while, an actor kind of I kind of gotten used to it as you see it as work, but then it's not normal. It's it's just too much love, and I can't be thankful enough. And I try and kind of get myself back on track where I'd
Mm-hmm.
kind of like to be and sort of move forward with what's next and kind of get cracking with stuff, get
Mm-hmm.
back to my regime, training and stuff. But it's just kind of surreal. It's too much of, the messages don't stop. People from the industry, as and when people kind of, co-actors, directors, filmmakers, people who are watching, people from overseas audiences, I mean, it's like, they're getting, they're feeling the character and they're getting touched by it. And it's like they will reach out, people are still reaching out and hundreds, so it's thousands. It's just amazing. I feel
Mm-hmm.
great, feels great. I mean, at the end of the day, that's what an actor really wants to know because क्या होता है कि आपको ये चीज पता लग जाती है कि every artist has this unique set of skills,
Mm-hmm.
and unless your work goes out there, because I've been working on stage, I've done movies,
Right.
unless you know that people not just having known you that oh this is an he's an actor, but what do I represent, what is my skill set, what is that one unique thing about me, about my craft. So
Correct.
वो कहीं जब तक वो लोगों तक नहीं जाए तो there's a sort of a sadness I think, or a that an actor at least has. You kind of be that people don't know what you stand for.
Mm-hmm.
So at least that's out. So they have some idea of kind of what I'm capable of, what I do, what I how I work. So it's nice. That's the biggest happiness actually.
I guess the biggest craving of an actor is getting recognized by his audience, by his fans, and once the recognition is there, actors like feel, ki, ha, fine, I'm finally there. Now I can start working on my craft and live up to the name what people are calling me for now. So have you got the pressure of that right now?
No, no. I mean, I've done that because I've been working my craft for almost 10 years. I mean,
Yeah.
I've did on stage, and it was just, and I would never stop working on that. You're right. I mean, you guys. So one amazing thing is that as you get recognition, like how it hits me is that I instead of kind of going out, we're all locked down, so it's different right now. But even if it was kind of the pre-COVID days,
Mm-hmm.
I would have pretty much been indoors because it just motivates me to kind of explore more things. It's not
Right.
like I mean, you kind of hungry because it just encourages you. These are milestones, in an actor's, in at
Right.
least my life. When I kind of did my first film, which was Aligarh, and got a huge
Right.
amount of encouragement from Hansal Mehta, Manoj Bajpayee, working with these guys, and greats, the masters. So
Mm-hmm.
I got a pat on my back, and I was amazed. I just came back, and when I went back on stage, the next film that I did, I was working with a lot more, zest and a lot more enthusiasm.
Right.
So this having sort of this being much much bigger, that's the kind of effect it's had on me, and I've been kind of just exploring different things,
Mm-hmm.
looking forward to what I'd be doing next.
Right. Okay. Next thing I want to talk to about is like, have you heard people are calling you national crush? Have you heard about that?
It's just too kind. I mean, what do I say, man? I mean, it's just it's amazing to hear. I mean, at the end of the day, you could intellectualize this art and all of that, and there is a great, sort of. I do see it as pure art and all that, but at the end of the day, every actor wants to get recognized. You love this kind of attention. We all are kind of, love being under the spotlight as actors. So बहुत खुशी होती है और अच्छा भी लगता है, मैं इसमें तो किसको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा.
True, true that. That's very sweet of you, man. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about you is about the platform, the OTT platform, the boom that's been happening on the OTT platform. Tell me, according to you as an actor, how brave is an OTT platform right now, and what do you think is the aftermath of cinema after this pandemic is over? How the cinema is going to be there? I know it's going to coexist, but what do you think about OTT? I think so. It's going to
I
play on the foot. What do you think about that?
I heard, some masters like Anurag Kashyap say, "Oh, everything's going to be on a phone." 4-5 साल पहले. I was
Correct.
like, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? But then Sacred Games showed how it's possible, and then I was someone who's like, I was like, what is this web series? I mean, I didn't think much of it. But then, Western content even didn't get us sort of that kind of realization. But when things like Sacred Games and Mirzapur and all these things started coming in, Family Man, and now, of course, Patal Lok,
Atal, look.
which everyone, I'm not saying it, everyone's saying it's like way ahead of every other series. So, well, I mean, also, I don't kind of completely endorse that. I think हर एक चीज़ की अपनी एक जगह होती है और हर एक ने बहुत अच्छी तरह अपनी जगह बनाई है इसकी भी अपनी एक जगह बनी है so I think that it's amazing because why it's special. I'll tell you why was any of these. Why were these special? Is because it doesn't have the constraints of something as simple as getting multiple. There's apparently in movies there's commercial pressure. Then there's what will get passed, what won't get. So here it's pure content. So writers have that freedom. I think the guy who is in the center, who perhaps doesn't get now is getting a lot of credit is the writer, and he's come back to the center. The
Correct.
actors are back to the center. The filmmakers are. So the creative people are back to the center. Before this, it was becoming more and more sort of business like, and you had to kind of put things together. It's not that
Correct.
many indie films weren't being made in cinema, but here there's a lot more, possibility of exploring also because you have the length.
Correct.
I feel so amazing that it's with Ansari, with Patal Lok, it's my first, series. And I realized that they always, when you do a play and you do films, and of course plays, I've done like big parts and some iconic roles that are there on the Hindi theatre circuit. Uh, Films I've done bits, decent parts, but then there's always a graph. There's a start, a middle, and an end.
Right. And
यहाँ
then
पे क्या होता है that the start itself has a graph.
correct.
So the fact that you're pretty much making 3 movies, so there's a lot for all the collaborators to kind of a lot for the actor to explore and express.
Right.
It's just anyone who's hungry. This is OTT is probably I would compare it, keep it as maybe a notch above the movies. For me, it's as exciting, a little more exciting than the films right now.
Correct. You're so right. Because I was speaking to Anurag sir the day before yesterday when his series Choke came on, and I asked the same question to him as well. What power does it gives him? So he's like, I don't have to think about the marketing. I don't have to think about the item number that's gonna push my film. What I can do is I can work on my craft and I can do the best. Yeah, and I can do the best right now. So OTT takes the tension out of it, and I can
Right.
focus on. That's what you said right now. So that's correctly put. That's the right thing. Uh, So I have some fun questions also prepared for you. It got real serious on the edgy part. So I have some fun questions. These are some netizen questions that I have. Fan questions basically on the social media. People have been asking about you. So let's start with that first. Okay. The first question that I have with me is like, if you had a choice to get a lockdown partner, since you all are locked in, who would you choose as your lockdown partner? And it has to be a celeb, right?
Oh man, I'm like pretty boring. I would pick my favorite actors, guys, girls, and we'd just be working on scenes and doing all of that. Yeah,
Name one actor. You have to.
it's very difficult. I don't know. I don't want to take. I don't want to take names, man. They're all taken. My favorite ones.
It's all right. Hypothetically, chalo.
Hypothetically, who would I want to be working with? I don't know. Very difficult. Deepika, man, my favorite.
Ah. That's a brave choice. That's a very brave choice. Good one, yeah. See, you don't have to think so much, right? She's a good one. She's a good partner to have. Okay, what shows are you currently binge watching, and you recommend your fans to watch?
I actually Patallo. There's this amazing series which you should just keep on watching again and again and again, and just forget about everything else. Don't even think about it. So I before this I watched no I'm like revisiting it a lot, but I saw kind of, not really up to date. So I watched Narcos after a while, which I
Okay,
loved, and then I saw Fauda, which is amazing.
that's good.
And yeah, I'm gonna actually start Panchayat. I haven't seen that.
You have to see Panchayat. It's a very sweet story. You'll get hooked to it. I can recommend you that. Okay, all right. So now we all are stuck at home right now, right? So what's your first thing that you do in the morning when you wake up? What's the first thing that you think? Yeah.
I work out, go for a just do a quick workout,
Hmm.
or I read, or I do something productive. I actually I live away from the city, so there's like space to run. Just go for a
All
run.
right.
Morning, early morning, that's the best thing. Weather's it's like it's not too hot, so I love
Right.
that.
That's it. Okay, cool. All right. The next question that I have is like, what age did you start dating? This is a girl's question. Okay, I have three questions that girls are asking, so that's gonna be back to back. Okay, what date did you start dating? What age? I'm sorry.
जमाना हो गया यार अब तो ये
Tell me.
this is like बहुत I don't I don't know, man, like 14, 15. I don't know.
14, 15. Okay,
Yeah,
that's a very decent age to start dating. That's a good one. That's okay. Okay. Tell me the last person you DM'd.
you you ready? I'm ready. Are
Smart,
you?
smart answer. Okay, cool. Okay, one celeb that is stalked on social media recently.
I'm bad stalker, man. I don't stalk too many people.
Come on,
Um,
one profile that you must have checked, all right, on Instagram or Facebook.
who did I? No, I look up Anushka's thing because she's produced and she keeps posting good content. So yeah, her profile, I guess. She's the
All
boss.
right.
Gotta keep her track.
Okay, so since we all know that you're keeping fit, right? You go for a run as well. So can you recommend few exercises where people can do at home, like two or three?
So I mean, honestly, I always am an advocate of kind of learning acquiring different skills. So I've been practicing martial arts for a long time. And once you have a base, like I have a base in taekwondos and a bit of jiu-jitsu, so you can pick up anything. Like these days, I'm just doing boxing drills because
Mhm.
if you have the base, you can pick up anything. It's just like and do whatever kind of makes you feel good rather than kind of killing yourself especially in today's scenario, just something that makes you feel good. It's like a feel good factor. So just get in, get the job done, get out. Like could be a cardio session, could be a quick boxing drill, throw some kicks,
All right.
pump some iron if you want. But yeah, I mean, just I keep it very like something that I can do over a period of time, and short, half an hour, 1 hour. That's it.
That's a good advice. Um, okay. Second, I have few more to go, right? So I'm gonna I'm gonna irritate you with that as well. Okay. So tell me, I wanna know, do you believe in love at first sight?
Of course,
And
just
who?
like marriage story, she says, I fell in love with him in 2 seconds of seeing him or something like that.
Okay, who was the first one that you fall in love with at love at first sight?
बहुत है यार,
एक तो याद होगा.
बता नहीं सकता ना.
See,
नहीं.
these are some fan questions. You can't disappoint them, right? I haven't made all these questions. I'm just asking
Oh, I
you.
saw a girl at an airport when I was going to the US once when I was I think college first year.
Hmm?
Yeah, just like that. Some girl at the airport.
Okay, did
Maybe
it end
maybe about
on a good note? Did you meet her later? No, she just
I,
left. Off.
I keep seeing her every time I travel.
Whoa,
Crazy, man. I'm serious. It happens.
that's a kind of a love story. That's a kind of a love story, you know. It can be made into a movie now. Okay. See, I also want to ask you one thing. This is some serious question where youngsters are asking me this. Okay, I regularly get messages that Imran, I'm not being productive right now because of the lockdown, and they're taking a pressure of being productive. So, do you think it's the right time to take that pressure, or this just should wait? Let the world open and they can go out again and be productive again. What do you think on that?
Yeah, just like I said about working out. Just don't let's not kill ourselves. I think it's best to kind of keep your sanity, and be like, also let it kind of, it's time to introspect, I guess. It's time to take it easy. Don't want to get too worried about being productive, because it's a pretty these are uncertain times, and yeah, just need to kind of take care of your mental health more than anything else. Yes.
That's a good advice, yeah. And what about the situation was going outside? Since they're saying it's unlock one, people are going crazy outside. People are still going out. They don't realize that it's still danger outside. What do you have to say about that?
I think it's very important to exercise caution, and it's very important to sort of only step out if it's necessary, and do with the necessary guidelines. Maintain social distancing. It's very, very important. I mean, it's almost like a, now it's kind of, it's hit me with the cases going up, that it's no less than a, it's as serious or worse than a war, man. I mean, it's a serious situation. So you got to be very, very careful. Everyone, please be careful. I'm
Yeah,
like,
that's true because since the day they announced it, I can see people just running on the road. They're just, just talking to each other without the mask, roaming in groups. I don't know. It's like they don't realize it right now. There's still danger outside. So, when I talk to actors, I just urge them to ask such people to stay indoors, keep the family safe, keep their surroundings safe. Can you send a message, a small message to such people?
oh, absolutely. I would urge everyone to stay indoors as much as possible, because I think it's not just a scare. This threat is very real, and there are a lot of people who are unwell, who are sick, who people have lost their lives. It's serious, man. Stay indoors. We take precautions.
That's good. Okay, so tell me, Shwag, what's happening next, and what's in the pipeline? How the offer's coming, and what are you working on next, and when are we seeing it next?
I'm gonna be Superman. I don't know, man. I'm as clueless as you are. No, but I kind of, so the industry has kind of woken up to me with this thing coming out, getting a lot of love, and more than anything else, it's like a lot of love, really. Which people are just from the industry, and especially some people you really look up to when they kind of tweet, message, or something. You've kind of grown up thinking that, well, will this person ever be aware of me? Getting a personal sort of a message from someone like them is, and a mention even from someone like Anurag. So it's like, it's a big, big happiness, and now that it's kind of gotten to this level, I'm sure that good things will come my way. The kind of things that I want to do. So it's a lot like Patal Lok. That's very much up my alley. So that's the kind of thing while also as an actor, you want to do all kinds of things. You want to work
Correct.
on like the conventional stuff, the good old like Bollywood movies, which we originally, that got me, at least as a kid, got me sort of interested. But I've always had this love for the parallel, the intelligent, the more real, minimalistic, I would say. आजकल वो जो है ना barrier बहुत blur हो गया है. There's not
Mhm.
much difference. Commercial also has a lot of realistic aspect to it. The story writing is very good. Acting is very real. It's just that
Correct.
I would say here these are more minimalistic stories where it's just the spotlight and the actor. How it used to be on the stage,
Correct.
long dialogues and all of that. So it's just a little more to play with. So I'm
Mm.
kind of looking for good content, and I have got opportunities, got a few things in the pipeline, and hopefully we'll all hear soon.
Inshallah, we want to see you more on the screen, man. We would love to
Thank
see
you.
you experiment different roles, and we can do this in person once everything is over. I would like to come and chat with you as well. So thank you so much for
Absolutely.
giving this time. Yeah,
Thank you. Thank you. It was a pleasure talking to you. Thanks,
looking
man.
forward to seeing you again, man. Thank you.
Same here. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.